Welcome back to the VIEZU YouTube channel, and today I'm answering a question that a lot of you have asked, which is which tool do I need for my business? And to do that, I've got my friend Ian, who is our head of sales of VIEZU. And there's not much you don't know, mate, about these tools.
Allegedly.
But let's start with this, KES 3. This is a big seller, and this is a great tool, isn't it? If you're setting out in tuning for the first time, if you want to expand your workshop remit, or just have a really versatile tool that does a lot of vehicles. Tell me about this one.
Basically, the KES 3 is our go-to tool. If somebody asks us what's the best first tool to start with, we always go to the KES 3. It's got the widest application list, so it can tune more cars than the others. It's a great tool.
And this goes back, like, way back, doesn't it, to 1990s cars even?
You've got cars from the mid-90s right up to 22, 23, and everything in between.
And the things like diagnostics or dyno or data, what other things can it do? And can I expand this? If I get on really well with this and then my business grows or my remit grows, can I make this tool do other things?
That's one of the great things about the KES. The normal version, we'd normally put car and light commercial vehicle protocols on their software. If you then decide you want to get into trucks and agriculture, motorbikes and all-terrain vehicles, and even boats, we can add that software on there remotely.
All in the same box?
All in the same box.
That's amazing. And what if I don't know anything about tuning? So also we should explain really the ways to do this. So if I don't have programming knowledge, if I'm not a great computer hacker, can I still do this? Can I still bring this into my business?
We can train you to use that tool in 3 hours.
Wow. And what about writing files and maps? If I haven't got the experience or knowledge to do that, how am I going to do that?
Well, we're probably unique in the industry. We're one of the only tuning companies where you can start off with a slave client tool. 2 or 3 years time, you come back and say, I want to learn to write files myself. We've got online courses, we've got classroom courses. We even train people in other countries. We do 4 or 5 classroom courses in America, Dubai, Singapore.
All over?
All over, yeah.
And again, if somebody's watching this and thinking, well, I've had an experience before, I've bought a slave tool, and maybe I haven't had the service that I've wanted and I've then been locked into a product. That's not going to happen here, is it?
No, we're quite unique, really. We never lock a slave. At any point, you can upgrade the tool to a master, which some tuning companies will not allow you to do, because the second you go to a master, you can use different file providers. We'll allow you to do that at any point. If you want to move to a different master, we'll allow you to do that as long as the tool is in subscription.
Love that. And also in terms of payback then, so what would this cost if I was setting this up for the very first time, including everything I'd need? You know, what could I typically charge at an average garage for what kind of job, and how quickly can these pay back?
The setup for one of these, which includes a battery stabilizer and 5 free tuning files, including VAT, is about £2,800. Profit margins somewhere in the region of £200 per tune. So
not long
at all. We have people set up, they're doing 20 or 30 tunes a month.
Yeah, that's going to pay back very quickly.
Very quick.
So that was a fantastic product. We're going to put the links to all of these in the description below. So the Autotuner, this I think wins the award for the most beautiful looking tool, this.
It's a nice quality piece of kit. Aluminium case, feels a quality item. New kid on the block.
So what does this do that this doesn't, or what other additional features does this offer?
The unique thing about the Autotuner, it's a no subscription model, so there's no annual subscription. Once you bought this tool, free updates for life.
And how often do they update? So when new cars come out, how far behind generally are all of the tools?
It's every tool manufacturer is constantly trying to crack new ECUs, so it's a constantly moving market. Autotuner will come out with one file this week, KES will come out with it next week, and then it'll be on the magic. So it's who's first to the race.
So almost to them, and I remember when I ran my tuning business, it's actually good to have more than one tool as well, isn't it? Because they all do slightly different things.
Ideally, they've all got their strengths and weaknesses. It's a little bit like diagnostic tools.
Yeah.
One tool doesn't cover everything.
Yeah, you don't have one spanner in your toolbox, do you?
But you've got to start somewhere.
Yeah.
So we recommend start with a KES, had an Autotuner when the business is established, and put a Flex in there. You pretty much got the whole market covered.
Well, let's move on to Flex. Now this also as well, we'll put a cutaway in here of the amazing, because when you open the box with this, it's like Christmas morning, isn't it?
It is.
It's amazing, like carbon fibre effect, like every lead, plug, connector and travel adapter you've ever seen in your life.
But the box is extra.
But you want to pay for that, believe me. That is worth every penny. But this is clever. This, to me, as well, when I remember when we used to pin out ECUs back in the day, this is like old school tuning to me. This.
It's a really, really nice tool. Any bench work.
Yeah.
This is really simple, really intuitive to use. And the unique thing about the Flex, it is the best cloning tool you could possibly buy.
And explain that to me. So obviously not everybody knows, if they're new to ECU tuning, what cloning means. So why would you ever want to clone an ECU?
You might have a water damaged ECU that's not functioning properly. The normal option would be to go back to the manufacturer, buy a new ECU, could cost you 1,500 quid, 2 grand, or you can buy a used one from a crashed car for 100 quid.
Yeah.
Copy the data from the original ECU and write it back onto the second-hand one. You've cloned it.
And that's going to save the customer a fortune, isn't it?
Absolute fortune, yeah. So if cloning is something that is really important to a tuner, that's the tool we'd send them to.
And with Flex as well, I mean, this pack has an awful lot of stuff in it. And you can do open ECU on this as well, can't you? You can really go, and you can also do bench on this as well, and OBD tuning too.
Yeah, and boot. So
Yeah.
where you take the top off the ECU. Yeah. It's a really good tool when it comes to recovering an ECU. If someone's had a problem, either reading or writing process, the ECU's maybe crashed, Flex has got absolutely tremendous technical support.
And also, again, plenty of updates.
Update every time you plug any of these tools into your PC, automatically updates.
And also as well, if you bought any of these products from us and you want to increase your knowledge, as you say, if you get busier, if you want to do more, if you want to become a slave and into a master,
yeah.
How do we gain that knowledge? Is that something we're going to provide these all the way through?
Yeah, treat them. We'll take you from there right through to the end, whether it be classroom courses or in-person courses. We've literally got it all in-house.
Amazing. So those three are great for car, light commercial, you've got bikes, you've got vans, you've even got boats on there as well. But this chap here,
this is a new kid on the block.
This is a beautiful bit of kit. This is a standalone tablet. So obviously it connects through your laptop, I guess, to get the software. But once you've done that...
No, software's...
What?
Yeah, software's...
This is suitably chunky. So if you've got agriculture, if you've got heavy plant, if you've got trucks and you want to tune those, this is what you need.
This is a great tool.
Yeah. Tell me more about this.
Super for agriculture, plants, equipment, farm machinery, generators. Dimsport are the best when it comes to any of the agricultural side of the things. So yeah.
It's a tough unit. It's fairly hefty, this, isn't it?
Pretty robust, yeah.
There's a lot of it. It's great ports at the bottom, beautiful screen. It's even got a little stand at the bottom, so you can stand it up like that when you're working on it. And again, what's the cost of that, and what do I need to get that set up?
You're roughly sort of 2.5 grand for a Dimsport. That's with single protocols, so you can choose cars and light commercial vehicles again.
Yeah.
Agriculture, trucks, bikes, marine. You can put them all on there, or you can add them on as you require them.
So all of these units are expandable into other industries, other markets, if you want to.
The only one that isn't is Autotuner. It is a car and light commercial vehicle tool only.
So there you go. Now, if you don't know which one you want, the great thing is you can come here to HQ and we'll put some wonderful cutaways of what you can expect when you do. And the guys will show you around. You can do some free product demos, can't you?
Completely, yeah. A no obligation visit. You can turn up, well, obviously make an appointment.
Yeah. I mean, working hours, that would be helpful, yeah.
We'll talk you through the different tools. We're quite unique because we're probably one of the only companies that sells the full list of tools with no allegiance to any one of the manufacturers. We'll give you true independent advice and sell you a tool that's going to be right for your business.
So there you go. It's as easy as that. As for Ian personally, he's a lovely man. He really is. And he'll tell you what you need to know. All the links are down below. Head to the website, find out what you need. And if you don't know, ask this man. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Press the hype button if you'd be so kind. And we'll see you next time for more amazing inside information. Thanks, mate.
No problem.
Should we go to the pub?
Yes.